today I'm going to be doing my review on Money Metals Exchange. You guys know I recently made an order with them. I ordered two 1/10 of an ounce platinum bar with them. And when I do my reviews, I have to have some history with the company. This is the first time I've actually heard of this company, and the only reason I heard of them is because I went online. I was looking up some cheap prices where I can buy platinum, and this company came up, and I did like the prices they had for platinum. So, we're going to be talking about the prices, the inventory, the shipping, and some other stuff. But thank you guys for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Let me know if some of you guys ever purchased from Money Metals Exchange. And if you did, comment some of your thoughts about the company. And don't forget to find me on my Instagram and Twitter, Urban Lifestyle 1989. Links are found in the description below. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
Working for work, and grind, working for work.
Alright, so diving right into it. We have prices. The shipping cost, when I actually made the purchase, the shipping cost was about $9. It was just two 1/10 of an ounce platinum, so it didn't weigh that much, but they still charged me $9 for it. And then they charged me a 4% processing fee. So the more the order is, the higher that 4% will be. So for every $100 you purchase from this company, you're gonna get charged with a $4 fee. Now, as far as the prices, the only thing I actually did buy from it, you guys know, is my 1/10 of an ounce platinum, and it was a fair price, $89, where everybody else was selling them for $140. I didn't like that, and I saw this one had a better deal, so I purchased it from there. What I did like with the order, they send me a list of items and how much they actually charge over spot for every metal they have. So American Gold Eagle is about $64.95 over spot. The Buffalo is $57.95 over spot. The gold bars are $44.95 over spot. Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, $53.95 over spot. 1 ounce South African Gold Kangaran for $48.95. And then on the back of it, they have the list of silver. Pretty much looking at it, the only thing I see that's high right here is American Silver Eagle, $3 over spot, almost $4. The Constitutional Silver, $1.24 over spot. The 10 ounce bars, $1.49 over spot. So yeah, the American Silver Eagle is the only thing I see that's above $1 price mark. Everything else is about in a $1.02 range, all right? So the prices are fair if you want to compare it to other companies, yeah, but like I said, I was only attracted to the company because the prices of platinum. Now, when we go to inventory, Money Metals Exchange, they actually sell silver, they sell gold, they sell platinum, palladium, rhodium. I haven't checked for copper, but yeah, I've heard they had copper as well. Now, as far as something specific that you're looking for, I was looking for certain stuff and I couldn't find it. So they don't have everything that you might look for. The wide range of variety is not like Atmex, one of my favorite companies to buy from. But they still got me on that 1/10 of an ounce platinum. So, as far as shipping, I actually got my order within, I'll say 6 days. I ordered on Friday. Well, not even 6 days, 5 days. I ordered on Friday. It came to me yesterday, which was Wednesday. If you guys watching this right now, which is a Friday, 2 days ago, compared to you, for you guys. Now, they have something called Money Metals Depository, which means I didn't really look that much into it, but I'm guessing from what I read, you purchase some storage space and they'll keep it there for you. I technically don't pretty much trust that. That's up to you, to each his own. Not my style. I have my own metal depository. A+, Better Business Bureau rating. The company is real legit. Like I said, I've never heard of them, but with my shopping experience, when I was using the app, it was a bit technical. Like, of course, I know how to use it, but it's not something if I gave my grandma, she'd be like, oh yeah, man, I know how to use it. No, she'll probably be confused as well. Would I be buying from them again? If I'm buying platinum, yeah. But if I'm comparing gold prices, I might buy it. You know, if I'm trying to get something cheaper and they offer it, yes, I will use them again. I know some people may be saying, hey, you should try sending them a money order. To be honest with you, it was inconvenient. I'd rather pay the $4. And like I said, I wasn't too sure of the company. I never heard of them before. I just wanted to test them out. And if I do place an order, it would be through money order. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this company. Thank you so much for listening to my point of view of my review on Money Metals Exchange. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.